yo, about to do a computer build and show y'all out there, you know, what I got going here. First, I guess I'll start with my case. To be honest, I never even saw this case before I bought it today, but it seems to be pretty cool. It actually has a toolbox inside. It has it has some of the things that you'll need to, you know, hook to your optical drives and things like that for the toolless case. One good thing, it actually pulls down on both sides, allow you to get, you know, get to things in there. And another thing that's pretty neat about this case, it has like a tunnel that goes straight to the hard drive, so it cools your hard drive kind of independently. So that's pretty neat about it. And it comes with a 500 watt power supply. So for $79 after rebate, that ain't bad at all. So pretty happy about the case. I got 4 gigs of RAM. Probably seen this around. Don't need to really explain too much about it. Got 2 gig sticks. Hard drive is pretty basic, just a 320 gig SATA. And I did get a quad core Q6600, and this, you know, I'm pretty happy about that. Got the now this motherboard, you know, I wasn't extremely excited, but you know, my budget kind of, you know, got me with this motherboard, so pretty happy about it. It's coming to focus, but it's it has some overclocking ability, and so that's what I liked about it. Pretty much gives you access to just change all the stuff for overclocking and the BIOS and everything, and that way those who know about overclocking know that's a good thing. Probably the thing I'm most proud of is my 8800 GT. I mean, this is the real deal right here, and pretty happy with this. So that's all I got. I mean, OEM optical drive. I was weary about this, but I guess I made up my mind. I got Windows Vista Ultimate OEM. Picked this up for 150 bucks, so it's not bad. So there's my build. I'm gonna check back in with y'all probably about halfway through. I'm gonna see what we got, and probably in the end. Okay, I'm about to mount the processor. Okay. It's in there good and snug. Now for the fan. This is the regular fan, you know. I'm not gonna overclock this right away. Might do it a little later. But this is a decent little fan here. Alright. I got my CPU installed, my CPU cooler, and 4 gigs of memory. All going on and popping. Alright, about to get going on this case. And a pretty sweet case it is. Double-sided dropped. I mean, can't say I've seen this before. Alright, got the tool case that comes with it, and screws. Got my, I guess you can call them brackets for the toolless case. Then I got one cover here, and my speaker. really fancy speaker. Alright, pretty much got it ready to go. Got a pretty sloppy wire job in here right now. But, you know, gonna get the computer working, and then we're gonna see about hiding some of these wires. So, about ready to power it up and see what's gonna happen. And now, it is completed. And came out pretty good. Got the LEDs in front, as you can see in there. 120 millimeter fan, 80 millimeter fan here, another 120, and then we have another fan in the back there. I'm not sure what size, but it's larger than all of them. 4 gigs RAM, quad core, 8800 GT video card, and that's my computer build. Still got a CRT monitor, but I'm gonna be working on that next. Don't have a lot of games for the computer yet since I just built my system, but I do have Call of Duty 2, and to have all the specs ramped all the way up, it actually looks pretty good. I can't really hold the camera with my neck and play, but you know, those are my graphics, and my next step is to, you know, probably do some overclocking. Gonna have to get some aftermarket cooling and everything for that, but that's my computer build. Hope everybody had a good time, you know, watching my video. Peace out.